Hello, welcome. I got this container from a vintage yard and I had juice in there. Can't see this properly. And today I will connect the pump to it. It's a little pump, just enough for the garden to water. And I will connect the power point to it. It's connected already to the gutter. So all I have to do is put some connections on here on the tap, and the pump should be on the floor straight. Anyway, that's how we do it. Connecting a pump and put the power on. Alright, and that is a sweet little pump. It's just enough for my garden. It's not really big, just like my hand, a bit bigger. But yeah, it's not heavy. I've already, and this is a brand. Okay, and this is for the hose, it's the outlet. And this will be connected with a piece of pipe like this. And then I have these connectors. This goes on the tank, it's a 60mm thread. Then I have one that goes in here, that is connected with this, and then I have an elbow piece, and between there I have a piece of pipeline. Yeah, I try to keep it short, otherwise I have to put the container more backwards or the pump more, I don't know yet. Anyway, that's how it works. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, the first thing I do is I connect this part to the tank. There's a little rubber seal in here. Just screw that on. Well, people say you have to put it straight on the floor, like this, or that way, or whatever way. And I built a little shell where I can put that thing on. Just put it against here. Voila. Maybe I go a little bit lower. And then I connect this shell here on the back. And it will be about this height, I guess. I just stick it in the ground, and that's that part done. Actually, like a nice bench. Anyway, that's where I put the pump here, or this side, I don't know yet. I think this side. And yeah, I put some screws on the back, 2 of these, and now I put the pump on. Yeah, I think I do it this way. I have the cable. Before I mount this on here, first I have to do this part. So I get me a piece of pipeline. I'm back. I've cut this off now. Now we put this in. I have this thing. Then come this elbow part. Oh, it's in there. And here's the other piece. Make sure everything is clean inside from cutting, or you have that stuff in the pump later. Alright. First we push it in here on the bottom. Have a look. Yeah, it looks good. So now I just put some bolts in here. Okay, I have these screws here. There's not much room here, so I have to push them in really. So now I have connected the cable through here. I made a hole in the shed, got a cable through, and I will connect the power point like this. 37 degrees today here in Australia. I sweat my things away, you know. If you can see the drops. And the cable will be done nicely with cable clamps. But for now, just long enough. So I made two covers. One is for the power point, the small one, and the big one is for the pump. It's just piece of tin which I bent, made some holes in. And this is a pump cover. And here I made a little cap, little old box I made out of old tin, and this will be installed now. Put the power point on, everything is set up, and now we can test the thing. First of all, let's see if the water comes out. Here, it's coming out, so the pump is primed. Everything is connected, and now we will connect the hose and start pumping. I just put the box on just for security reasons. You never know what happens if the water splashes around. Yeah, that's how it looks. Alright, the hose is connected. Now we open the tap like this, and everything should be tight enough. There's no leak. It should be all fine. If there is anywhere a leak later, I may have to tighten it up a bit more, but it's all looking good. Even here, no water coming out for now. Okay, let's start. Take the hose, open the hose, and I can hear the water coming. Now we turn the pump on. I press the button, and there's the water. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's all working fine. And there's no leak. Oh, no, that's from the hose that bit on the wood there. No, it's all good. No leak. Everything is fine. And that's how it looks with the cap on. Yeah, that's how I remove it. Just grab it, lift it up, and there she is. Okay, all done, guys. I hope you like my job. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest. Bye-bye.